Right, we're back. We're flying. This is crazy, kind of. I never thought we'd do this. But yeah, we're flying. Let me see what's like. This is a terrible road. We got two terrible roads. Then we got, guys just did not die. They're not getting better. They're getting better. They're getting better. Yeah. We're getting a lot better. Fact. Don't know if you can hear me, very noisy. But they're getting better, the roads. We're planting potatoes. Some white stuff. What's that stuff? The white stuff. Ploughed. That looks ploughed. I've never thought I'd do this in our farm. Oh, just got caught. But yeah, we're ploughing. We've only got 2-header plough. Do 2 at a time. 2-headed. 2 at a time. All the ploughs, please field. The field's gonna be hard. Potatoes. The potatoes, good stuff. What do you think? Oh. Ugh. Get leveled. There. First 2 rows were pretty bad. This row was bad. And that row was terrible. But now we're going good. She's gonna plough over there. It's just gonna be me. I might put the fence. Put the fence. I keep getting stuck in that bumper. Bad boy. Don't know if you can even hear what I'm saying here. It is noisy. Very noisy. Oh, glass? It's not glass. No, just a rock. But yeah, we're flying. Is that how we're flying? I don't know. They're going good. What's that white stuff? But
my goodness, there's everything in here, sure. Everything you can imagine.
it's good grind. It's good grind, but yeah, I know it's not good. It looks good dried from the top, but yeah, blocks in it and stuff.
It's like a house or something. I don't know.
There's a block there. Block. There's a block there. There's a few blocks. How we're playing?
The metal, the string.
You're scared. Oh. Yep. The first row was good, kind of, and then the other I can. What?
It's a belt. It's a horse belt or something.
Yep. Well, we're ploughing. And this is the video. That's the video, right? So this is a very old plough. Very old plough. It was Daddy's granddad's and great granddad's. And my great granddad's and great granddad's. Daddy's great granddad and granddad, and my great granddad and great granddad. They're Bobby and Charlie McCormick. That's where I actually got my name from. Brother. So fun. Try like in the play. well, that's probably about it for the video. This is what the plough is all about, the video sport. I hope you enjoyed. Do you have anything to say? Bye.